Hey fluffs and furballs, welcome to my channel. I want to take the time to say thank you guys for 1K. I truly appreciate it. Today I will be showing you guys how to apply a lace frontal on a low hairline, so stay tuned. So this wig was sent to me from Yukari Wigs. It is a 16-inch straight lace frontal wig. It has 4 clips in it, and it also has adjustable band. The name of this wig is called Oil Slick. Before I get started, I'm just going to spray some water on the frontal so that the bleach doesn't seep through and stain the hair. And I'm also using the rat tail end of my comb just to make sure I'm pushing back any flyaways. So I'm going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it off. And I'm about to start the plucking process, which I will not put you guys through. So we're going to fast forward right through this. Also, I only pluck the sides of my frontal only because the top part really gets cut off. Okay, you guys, so I think by now we all know how to put on a ball cap. So I just put it on, sprayed some Got to Be Free spray and blow dried it on cool. And now I'm cutting my cap off. And also I am going to put some foundation on top of my cap just to make it blend in a little bit more. So the difference with most people's forehead is that a lot of people's forehead is even all the way around, but a lot of people have lower hairlines, which means that their natural hairline comes a little bit closer to their eyebrows, and the frontal is supposed to sit above your hairline so that it doesn't damage your hair, and it makes a lot of people look crazy. So therefore I am going to show you guys how to not look like your hairline is touching your eyebrow. So basically what I'm doing here is, since I had to pull the frontal all the way down, I'm just going to go and part out my forehead space that is sitting underneath this frontal. So after I parted out just half of an inch of hair, I'm going to take my Got to Be Free spray and basically spray down the wig so that it stays in place. And of course you're going to blow dry this on cool until you feel like your wig is secure. Now I'm just going to take my eyebrow razor and go in and cut off this excess hair to open up my forehead space and cut off the rest of the lace. Now I'm going to go in and cut out the lace by my ear so that it lays perfectly. And I'm just going to lay the ear tabs down with Ghost Bond Supreme. And because we had to cut out the frontal up top, I'm just going to go in and do a little plucking. This is the reason why I say I don't pluck too much in the top of my frontals when I'm pre-plucking, only because I never know where I need to pluck, and there's no point in wasting my time when I'm going to cut off all of that hair. So here, all I'm doing is taking a foundation powder, that's the color of my skin, and I'm just going in and applying powder to the lace just so that it blends in a little bit more. After I slick my baby hairs down, I do go in and fill in once again with the powder just to give it a more realistic and skinned look.